Initializing Agile One, an AI-driven industrial humanoid robot designed for autonomous operation in real-world environments. All systems are online and calibrated. Agile One features 71 degrees of freedom, including 21 per hand, enabling precision manipulation and adaptive grasping across complex industrial tasks. Tactile sensors provide real-time force feedback, dynamically adjusting grip strength. Agile One walks at speeds up to 2 meters per second, maintaining balance through continuous motion planning and feedback control. Using onboard perception, Agile One builds a real-time spatial map for autonomous navigation, obstacle avoidance, and optimized path planning. Onboard AI enables local voice interaction without cloud connectivity. Agile One carries payloads up to 30 kilograms with dynamic load balancing and torque control. Standing 174 centimeters tall and weighing 69 kilograms, Agile One is engineered for reliable industrial automation.